We're going to look at something called interpreting functions. We're going to show how we can get the equation of a line just if we're given the picture. And oops, let's go back. I want to do this example first. So you've got this picture here, and you've got a line that's going downhill like this, and you've got it crossing the y-axis at 3. The y-intercept is 3. So, and you're given one other point, 8 and minus 1. Now, this is used a lot in all functions. You know that the form is y equals ax plus 3 because that number added on q is the y-intercept. So you've got part of the equation. It's plus 3. Now all you do is take the 8 and substitute it in instead of x. So substitution is what is the big thing here. And y is minus 1. So instead of y, you put minus 1. Now you've got 8a. You subtract 3, you get 8a. You subtract minus 8a, you get minus 8a. And then add 1 to both sides, you get minus 8a equals 4. Then divide. 4 divided by 8 is negative a half. So you've got a now. A, the gradient, is minus a half. And all you do, that a there is the gradient, minus a half. So you know that a is minus a half. You just put it in front of x. Now, the next question, they just do the same thing. They've got 4 as the y-intercept, so you know it's ax plus 4. They substitute in minus 2 and 0, and 0 for y and minus 2 for x, and you get minus 2a plus 4. Then you add 2a to both sides, divide by 2, and you get 2. But you know there's an even easier way to do this. You can just look at this 4 and this minus 2. Start at this point. You go 2 to the right and 4 up. The gradient is 4 over 2. Well, that's what the number in front is. So it's 4 over positive 2. This is a positive gradient. And 4 divided by 2 is 2x. So if you see the gradient, you can just put the gradient in here. Remember, if it's going uphill like this, it has to be positive. The shape of a line going downhill will be negative. And we have a bunch of questions to work on, and yes, full memos for you to look at to see if you've done it right. And they're really good to practice because they like to give these questions a lot in exams. Okay.